What in the world is it? Ah,
The
severe.
National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Blanco County, central Kendall County, northwestern Comal County until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:43 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sisterdale, or 9 miles northeast of Bernie, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail.
Wait, which direction?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Blanco, Canyon Lake, Sisterdale, Pflugrath, Kreuzberg, Guadalupe River State Park, Candalia, Twin Sisters, Fisher, Hayden, and Crown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA, Weather Radio, Station WXK67, broadcasting on a frequency of 160.5.
Nice.